Good afternoon and welcome to this Wednesday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We got a Challenger inbound. About 85 degrees today.
Runway 6 left, clear line.
Got Air Lingus 98 kilo inbound from Dublin.
Juliet Papa Hotel ground, taxi Lima Juliet 4 Juliet Hotel. Lima Juliet 4 Juliet Hotel, East Top Hotel. Oh, that's 6 left, I'm just like that, 6 left.
United Flight 1704, it's a 737 MAX 9 inbound from Orlando.
Alpha, then contact ground point 7 on the other side, traffically holding up position.
American Flight 2933 coming in from Chicago O'Hare.
Flight 2765 cross runway 6 right at Sierra. Then
Just had Lone Star 1 fly over the airport. It was supposed to have come in tonight. The Southwest changed aircraft again. So we just get a regular old 737. Got a Gulfstream inbound from Van Nuys.
Lima, Juliet 4, to the gate, American 2933. 2577 is at 7,000, 2577 at 7,000. Copy. Say copy.
United 2659 inbound from O'Hare. What's the weather out that way earlier? It looks like it's kind of moved around Chicago instead of through it. Fingers crossed maybe they get some rain moving in. Wish we get some rain here. It's been really nice the last week or so. My garden is suffering. Haven't had rain in probably at least a week, maybe 2 weeks now. United Airlines Flight 2243. It's a 737-700 inbound from Washington Dulles. Apologize if my pans are a little shaky going to the left. I got a pretty nasty sprained ankle the other day. And so it's kind of hard to turn to the left or really put weight on my left foot. So trying to keep it as smooth as I can. When I turn off that foot, it's not a good time. We got another United flight. It's 2377, a MAX 9 inbound from San Francisco, SFO. American 1267 inbound from Charlotte. So kind of looking ahead, my brother-in-law and his wife had their baby the other day, so we're probably going to go to Pittsburgh here next couple of weeks. So maybe we'll go to Pittsburgh International and try to spot for a little bit while we're out there. We'll see how things go. Still planning to go to Dallas for Airliners International later this month. Depending on how the money and all that good stuff goes. So we got the Columbus Air Show coming up. There is a fly-in Lorraine we're going to try to go to for a Ford Tri-Motor in July, I believe it is. So we got a few things coming up we're going to try to get to. We'll see. Southwest Airlines Flight 2591 inbound from Denver. I saw where today is National Smile Day. Hope everyone's having a smile on your face, having a good day, in a good mood. It's also a National Flight Attendant Day, or in-flight crew day. So huge thank you to all of our flight attendants out there who work so hard to get us all from point A to point B safely. You know, they have so much more to their job than just serve drinks and snacks in flight. So thank a flight attendant next time you go in an aircraft. The hardest working guys and gals in the business. All right, we got a Gulfstream coming in here on runway 6 left. Not sure where they're coming in from. The flight is blocked.
Did you say Morgan? Yes, love.
Really kind of bummed yesterday. We had the Thunderbirds flew over with a tanker. And they flew just south of here, a little bit north of my house. I went outside and looked for them, but just a little bit too hazy. Wasn't able to catch them. So hopefully next time they come by, we'll be able to get them. It's a neat aircraft.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me find some ramp. Stand by for the ramp team. Stand by for the ramp team. Copy. What gate was that?
All right, we got another heavy jet inbound. It's FedEx Flight 356. It's a 767 freighter inbound from Memphis. Starting to get to that time of year, we'll have to come up here to get the UPS departures at night again. I'm not going to do it tonight because I want to get home and get some food pretty soon. I had a pretty long day at work. But we'll try to get up here next couple of weeks and get the UPS departures with still a little bit of daylight, hopefully. I had the Columbus this weekend too. The Memorial PGA tournament is going on. I know Wingfoot 1 will be there. But maybe we'll see a bunch of private jets. Try to get down that way. We'll see. I did Flight 598, I apologize. 598 inbound from Newark. See the Cargolux 50th anniversary livery is in Columbus Rickenbacker tonight. Not about going down, but just had to cover a couple people at work and it's just a little bit too crazy today. But maybe next week we'll get back down if there's any special liveries. And the first British Airways flight to Cincinnati is on Monday. I'm going to try to get down there. We'll see how the schedule goes, but I want to try. Love to get that 787 Dreamliner. We'll see what time it comes in, and if we might be able to work it into the schedule a little bit. We'll see. We got the Redwood Apartment Cessna Citation inbound from Dayton. We got a pretty big fire over here, kind of on the southern side of the field. Hopefully it's not a structure, maybe someone just burning trash or something, but quite a bit of smoke over there. Hopefully everyone's okay. United Flight 1975 inbound from Fort Lauderdale.
Juliet 6 in Lima.
Another day where there's not a cloud in the sky. We haven't had any rain in the last couple of weeks. We're starting to get into a bit of a drought condition here in northern Ohio. A little bit of haze, so it's a little difficult to see things overhead, but we'll certainly do our best. If we get anything cool overhead, we'll take a look. Got a MD-80 coming in later. Also got an international business jet coming in too. So looking forward to bringing that to you and anything else we happen to get today. Delta Connection 4972 inbound from LaGuardia.
Number 924 out to Cleveland, ground runway 6 right, taxi via Foxtrot Lima, Romeo is current. 6 right, Foxtrot Lima,
Looks like this flight's coming in on the right side. So we might have to move a little bit or switch sides to get the arrivals, especially with a couple that we have coming in. Had to switch spots a little bit because they just closed 6 left on me. Should be USA Jet Flight 837 and MD-80 inbound from Louisville. So we're down here by the approach lights. Not really a great place to go or to sit too long. Sometimes you're okay, sometimes they get mad. But since they got the left side closed, hopefully they let it go for a few minutes. Or they get 6 left reopen really quick.
You're at 4513, turning 330.
Got an American Eagle flight. United Express 3420 inbound from Newark. Watching the Thunderbirds, it looks like they might go just south of us. We'll keep an eye out and see if we need to move or what happens. NASA 990, it's the Pilatus PC-12 that's based here in the field, but doing some touch and goes around the area. They're coming back in here on 24 right. Got an alert that there is an escaped inmate in the Akron area right now, so hopefully everyone's staying safe out there. It's your flight 2756 inbound from Las Vegas. Southwest Flight 576, it's a 737 MAX inbound from BWI. Tri-Jet inbound from I don't know. They have a couple more air shows on the East Coast, so hopefully we'll get another shot. But man, I would have loved to have seen them refueling. Just dealing with a bunch of haze. United 2374 inbound from Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. All right, that'll do it for tonight from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. I know it's a little bit on the short side tonight. We're going to get home and get some dinner and get ready to go back to work tomorrow. Got the post-holiday catch-up we got to do. Plus, I know I'm covered for a couple of people in the next couple of weeks. So it might be a little bit busier tomorrow. Hoping to get back up here or go to Columbus the next couple of days to get the PGA tournament traffic. And hopefully we'll try to get to Cincinnati next week. Got some cool things coming up, so if you liked the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Comment down below. We'll try to get up here again this weekend to do some more spotting, so hope to see you there. And we'll catch you next time. Have a great night, everybody.